Tay was born with a severe to profound hearing loss in his left ear. This is called a unilateral hearing loss. He has normal hearing in his right ear. It is difficult to find or locate the direction of a sound when you don't hear the same way in each ear. With normal hearing, talking sounds like this.
From the Weather Channel, I'm meteorologist Ed Levy. Here's your San Francisco forecast. Variably cloudy, maybe a shower by morning, low 50s.
In Tay's left ear, the same talking sounds like this. Because Tay's hearing loss is in one ear, it can be difficult for him to find what direction sounds are coming from. With good hearing in both ears, it's easy to tell whether sounds are coming from your left side or your right side. For example, listen to these footsteps with normal hearing. It's easy to tell that the person is walking from right to left. However, listen to the same walking sounds with a unilateral hearing loss. The unilateral hearing loss makes it hard to know which way to turn and look to find where a sound is coming from. It can also be difficult for Tay to hear speech and other sounds when someone is talking on his left side. This is especially true in noisy environments, like a noisy restaurant or a crowded classroom. Here's what it sounds like when someone talks to Tay on his left side.
We go into Wednesday, cloudy skies, chance for rain in the morning.
As you can tell, it is very difficult to understand what the speaker is saying. However, if the speaker moves to Tay's right side, it sounds like this.
Rain showers, even an isolated rumble of thunder possible for Wednesday night. Lows dropping into the low 50s. And for Thursday, mostly cloudy.
It is much easier for him to listen and understand.
There are several things that you can do to help make listening easier for Tay. Number 1. Get Tay's attention before you start talking. Get his attention first allows Tay to use his energy for listening to your messages rather than looking around to see where the sounds are coming from. If he's having trouble finding you, tell him specifically where you are. For example, say, "I'm in the kitchen," is more helpful than saying, "I'm over here." Number 2, position Tay so his right normally hearing ear is directly towards the sound you want him to hear. Avoid talking to him on his left side. Tay will understand you best if he can see your face while you're speaking. Talking face to face usually ensures that his good ear can hear you, and seeing your mouth move is also helpful for speech comprehension. Number 3, provide a good listening environment. Tay will have the easiest time listening when you talk to him close to his right side and when there is minimal background noise from things like TVs, radios, and dishwasher. When practical, you can help by minimizing background noise in rooms or finding a quiet part of a room to talk to Tay. Doing these things will really help Tay to have an easier time understanding you and will also help his speech and language development. Thanks for listening.